Limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings, and today we have a heater. The word heater is very subjective, but let's just say this cap, this fitted hat, it's a rare one. Let's take a look. This is the Derek Jeter Hall of Fame cap 2020 HOF. But that's the unofficial cap per se. This was very limited release for this edition, for this specific style and model. You don't see many of this one. You'll see why in a second. But Derek Jeter number 2. Let's take a look. Classic pinstripes. Derek Jeter signature insignia right there. Very beautiful. We are working with a 7 1/4. Side shot. The good old backside view. Black underbrim. Let's take a look at some of these details right in here. New in merchandise. New era. 7 1/4. That good old 7 1/4. One of the most popular sizes. Jeter's a New York legend. There's no doubt about it. And one side note about the side patch. Good segue. The other model has, I think it's sold more readily. It has like the two might be a little bit bigger, golden, and there's a side patch. This is not the side patch edition, and this one is much more. So thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, please subscribe. More on the way. We'll catch you in the next one. You have yourself a great day, everybody. See you later.